Okay, so in this video we're going to go through how to use layers to structure a graphic, to create, to merge, to rename and to change opacity so that we can get so that we can manage your images much more effectively. So in the last couple of minutes we have got a selection of different items. I've asked for some things in the foreground, some things in the background. I've got an autumnal scene, I've got a runner, I've got a barcode, I've got a special offer thing, and I've got some text. We want to be able to manage these layers as best as we can. So the first thing you want to do is rename all of them. You know that you can double click on the right of these to add some effects, so like a stroke around the outside. But if you double click on the name of the layer, it's really important to manage them carefully. So what is this? This is the special offer. Oops, can't spell, it's embarrassing. What's this next one? This one is the barcode, and then we have the runner and the background. So there are a couple of keyboard shortcuts that really help you with this. So Control and square bracket will move a layer up or down. So if I've got the runner selected, then you can move it up or down with Control and square brackets. I want it to be in front of the autumnal scene but below the special offer. And remember, if you're doing this professionally, you want your hand over the image, not over the layers over here. So one hand on the keyboard, one hand on the mouse. Alt and the square brackets lets you select a different layer, which is really handy. You don't need to move your mouse over to the side. So if I get the special offer one selected with Alt and square brackets, at that point you can then press W for the quick selection tool, or Shift and W to toggle between all of these in here. Let's go Magic Wand tool and delete all of that. Control D to deselect it, Control T to transform, something like that. Once you've got everything as you want it, I'd quite like a glow around my special offer to get rid of the nasty blotches around here, but I'd also like the same glow around the text. So you could do layer effects separately. So we double click on here for a special offer. We could have an outer glow. We can set it to white and change it so that it is a little bit bigger. But I want that same glow applied to the text over here. So instead I'm going to select both of these layers, Shift and click on them, and Control G, which adds them to a group. So I'm going to call this details, or text and details. So once you've got something in a group, you can apply all of your effects to everything in that group all at once, and then you get all of the same effects, all of the same properties, exactly the same way in a nice consistent way. So let's increase the size. There we go. And the added bonus being that you can move everything all at once as well. You can still separate them and move them separately if you click on the individual layers, but with the group selected, you can move the whole thing. So what else do we need to go through? Oh yeah, we can duplicate layers here. So I've got a layer here, we can Control J to duplicate it, if that was going to be useful. Can't really think how that would be useful for us at the moment. Or you can delete layers with the dustbin down here. What else have we got? Keyboard shortcut for making a new layer is Control Shift and N. Control Shift and N. It's just the same as clicking on your layers down here. So the idea is you should be able to quickly organize into groups all of the layers using your layer styles as effectively as possible. And then once you've got your layers all labeled, it's much easier for you to select the right one, either clicking on them or using Alt and your square brackets, until you can edit them really nice and easily.